Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being. And to achieve all these goals, nutrition is a very important part. And if this is your first time over here, we provide authentic and fact based knowledge about nutrition, health, lifestyle, and wellness. Hi, my name is Aisha. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of the notifications. If you're trying to get pregnant, is your diet packed with foods that increase fertility? According to a study of diet and fertility from Harvard Medical School, couples can't control all the causes of fertility. They can control their eating habits. And nutrition and a healthy body weight for both partners can have a significant impact on the ability to conceive and will help to improve your ovulatory function. Remember, eating as if you're already pregnant can actually help prime your body for conception. Fruits and vegetables. For a healthy fertility diet to improve egg quality, load your plate with fruits and veggies. Make sure your plate at every meal is composed of fresh fruits and vegetables. Watermelon, strawberries, carrots, and potatoes, in addition to other raw fruits and vegetables, give the body a rich supply of glutathione, which is important for egg quality. Fats. Indulge in healthy plant-based fats in moderation. Nuts, olive oil, and seed oil can reduce the inflammation in the body, which help promote regular ovulation and general fertility. Some good fats may even assist women who truly struggle with infertility. Studies have shown that consuming a certain quantity of monounsaturated fats in the form of almonds, olives, avocados during the ovulation cycle increased the success rate by 3.5 times as opposed to women who do not eat good plant-based fats during the period. Avoid all trans fats and eat more healthy unsaturated fats. Trans fats, found primarily in foods such as commercially baked and snack foods, animal products, French fries, and some margarines, increase insulin resistance. High insulin levels cause a lot of metabolic disturbances that affect ovulation, so they should be avoided in the conception diet. Complex carbohydrates. Eat more complex carbohydrates and limit highly processed ones. Your body digests bad carbohydrates like cookies, cakes, white bread, and white rice quickly and turn them into blood sugar. To drive down the blood sugar spike, the pancreas releases insulin into the bloodstream, and studies have found that high insulin level appear to inhibit ovulation. Good carbohydrates, those containing fiber such as fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains, are digested slowly and have a gradual effect on blood sugar and insulin. Barely refined grains are superb sources of fertility-friendly B vitamins, vitamin E, and fiber. Compose a quarter of your plate with more complex carbohydrates like brown rice. Add diverse grains, for example quinoa, millet, barley in your diet. They'll help keep you fuller longer and maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Proteins. Eat less protein from red meat and more from fish. Chicken, turkey, beef, trimmed or fat are great sources of protein, zinc, iron. all important building blocks for a healthy pregnancy. When picking foods that increase fertility, opt for plant proteins. What's more, plant protein from beans, nuts, seeds, and tofu comes with healthy fats and is relatively low in calories and can be helpful for weight loss. Beans are super sources, as are nuts, seeds, and other legumes such as lentils and chickpeas. Dairy. Consume 1 or 2 servings a day of whole milk or other full-fat dairy foods such as yogurt and less non- and low-fat dairy. We found that more low-fat dairy products in a woman's diet, the more trouble she had getting pregnant, says a professor of nutrition and epidemiology at the Harvard School of Public Health. That's because a high intake of low-fat dairy has been shown to raise the risk of ovulatory infertility compared to high-fat dairy. Sugar. Cut down sugar levels and stick to less processed sweeteners. Concentrated doses of the sweet stuff can throw your blood sugar totally out of whack, creating issues with insulin and your general hormonal imbalance. Sugared sodas in particular have been associated with ovulatory infertility. That doesn't mean you should use artificially sweetened products in their place. Artificial sweeteners are stressors on your system. They create a cortisol response which inhibits ovulation. Caffeine. Drink coffee, tea in moderation and avoid sugary drinks entirely. Caffeine and alcohol are diuretics and can prevent your mucous membrane from staying moist, affecting the consistency of your cervical fluid. Limit caffeine intake from coffee, energy drinks, and teas to under 200 milligrams a day. Some studies have shown that herbal tea may be a good fertility food for getting pregnant. Vitamins to increase fertility. Take a daily multivitamin that contains at least 400 micrograms of folic acid and 40 to 80 milligrams of iron. Include adequate amounts of iron. An eating pattern rich in iron that comes from vegetables and supplements may lower the risk of ovulatory infertility. Add vegetarian foods with iron include beans, lentils, spinach, fortified cereals, long grain enriched rice and whole grains. Add vitamin C from citrus fruit, bell peppers or berries to your meals to enhance the iron absorption. Don't forget folic acid. While it won't make you more fertile, it is crucial that women trying to conceive obtain 400 microgram per day of folic acid from supplements and include foods such as dark green leafy vegetables and fortified grains. Women and fertility. To prepare for pregnancy and enhance fertility, maintain a healthy weight and choose foods that will create a safe and supportive home for your baby 9 months stay. This should include sources of folic acid, iron, and other important nutrients. Remember, avoid going on fad diets which can deplete your body of the nutrients it needs for pregnancy, and find a healthy eating plan that works for you by talking to a registered dietitian or a nutritionist. Men and fertility. Men also should try to maintain a healthy body weight and follow a balanced eating pattern, since male obesity may alter hormone levels. Plus, low sperm count and poor sperm motility are common in men with overweight and obesity. When it comes to food choices, load up on fruits and vegetables, which contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help create strong sperm. Eat eggs, sunflower seeds, nuts, chickpeas, lentils, and other foods rich in zinc to prevent testosterone from being converted to estrogen. High dairy intake has been linked to poor sperm motility and concentration. Selenium is fantastic for sperm motility, and selenium-rich foods are fish and Brazil nuts. The fertility diet pattern. Women and men following the fertility diet chose less trans fat and more unsaturated fatty acids from foods such as avocados and olive oil, less animal protein and more vegetable protein, more high fiber, low glycemic carbohydrate rich foods including whole grains, more vegetarian sources of iron and fewer meat sources, multivitamins, high fat dairy instead of low fat dairy.